Installing outside roller shades is easier than you think. Let's walk through installing cordless roller shades with exposed roll. Before we start, grab a drill with a 5/64 bit, a flathead screwdriver, a pencil, and a metal tape measure. Each cassette shade comes with the same basic components: the shade, mounting hardware, and brackets. Depending on type of shades you ordered, the pieces you have may be a little bit different. If your shade comes with a band around the middle, don't remove it until the installation is complete. First, attach the hardware to the roller shade, then measure the total width of the shade and mark that width on the wall. Next, hold the brackets at your marked spots. Use a pencil to mark where the screw holes will go. Pre-drill holes using the 5/64 bit. Start by loosely attaching the brackets so you can adjust and level them, then tighten the screws once everything is aligned. Now, we will put the roller shades on the bracket. Insert the first side into the bracket, then slide the opposite side until it locks in. That's it. For cordless exposed roller shades, if the shade feels loose, turn the pin to add tension before mounting. Then remove the pin after installation. And that's it. Your roller shades are installed and ready to use. Now, gently pull the shades up and down with two hands to make sure everything looks and works correctly. To remove your shades, raise it fully first, then rotate this end to release the shade, then pull the other side straight out. We hope you enjoy your brand new shades from Sense Blinds. If you have any questions, check out our installation guide on senseblinds.com, or just give us a call.